Hi, we have a Master Temp 400. Last night, I turned it on. It was 75 degrees. We turned it up to 100, and about 10 minutes later, we heard a pop sound, went over to the heater, and it was off. And now we can't get any lights to turn on. Can you help us? We've taken off the front panel, pressed the yellow button, disconnected the blue membrane strip. We pulled that back on. Still, no lights are turning on. Your help is much appreciated.
I guess first question would be, did you check the breaker? Is it on the same breaker as the pump? Normally it should be on a separate breaker. If it popped, that would be an indication that the breaker flipped. There's always a chance that, there isn't really much other than an electrical issue. Either something happened in the panel itself and you somehow spiked the power to the panel and burned the panel out, or it may have just tripped the outlet, or however it's wired in. It could be wired to an auxiliary outlet that has a GFI on it. It could have been wired directly into the panel. It could be based on the controller, how they would have wired it. But usually you don't put a heater wired directly to the same as the pump. So while the pump might be running, the heater may have popped a breaker somewhere else. So I would look at all the GFIs in the area. If you didn't build it yourself or have it built and you're not sure where all the electrical goes, I would look for GFIs everywhere, and I would look for breakers. That'd be the first thing. And then after that, you're probably looking at replacing some boards and things on the unit itself.